Here we are. Welcome to the helicopter video. Skylift is a Skycrane aerial firefighting helicopter. There's 8 of them. One is a military version. Skycrane helicopters are used to transport heavy loads, pick up objects with a magnetic crane. So, Skylift could be used in a mission in GTA 5. In Grand Theft Auto 4, The Ballad of Gay Tony. If you want the helicopter, it's only on the mission, not in free mode in Grand Theft Auto 5. So let's have a tour of each helicopter. There are 8 of them each. Each has a registration number. Each of them right here. Each helicopter has a registration number. There are 8 of them, so get ready. That's the Skycrane helicopter. 9 of them. There are 9. Here we are. The Skycrane helicopter right here. Alright, here we are. This is it. All 9 variants of the same helicopter. It's just the fleet. My complete fleet of Skycrane helicopters. Some of them will have a firefighting equipment, some will have a cargo box. So here we are, all 9 of them. 8 of them are civilian, 9 of them are military.